20 years, people must go to school. The children must go to work.
Only money that I want.
And to hurt people?
Yeah, the people, I will show you with your last born.
Imagine being excited and planning to go on a date, and only for you to be unalived. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. A 30-year-old Olurato Mungale from Vet was reported missing on Sunday afternoon. This comes after she informed her friends that she will be going on a date with a man named John. She was then fetched with a white Polo Vivo outside her residence, and that was the last time her friends and nor her family saw her alive. Before Olurato left her place, Batsandibumkosi, she informed them that if she does not send her live location within an hour or two of her being away with her date, her friends must definitely start looking for her. 2 hours went by, Batsandibumkosi and Olurato did not send any live location. They tried to call her and contact her, but it went straight to voicemail. They then resorted into using Find My Phone and tried to track her phone. It was later on found at Bromley together with her bag, but Olurato was not there, which of course sent a shockwave to her friends. They continued Batsandibumkosi searching for her and reporting her missing. Her body, Batsandibumkosi, was later found at Lumbati West, whereby people reported to have seen a white Polo Vivo dropping off a very suspicious package. This is indeed said Batsandibumkosi. Police, of course, have tried to locate the car registration of that Polo car, but then they have come to their shock that that is a cloned car registration because it belongs to a Hilux and not to that particular car. Which of course, Batsandibumkosi, one may speculate that the driver knew exactly what he was planning to do with Olurato. Please listen to what Tweep had to say. This was not a date. The intention was always to kill. Showing up with a Polo that has Hilux number plates, this bastard had no other intention, a Tweep said. Victim blaming is wrong. There is nothing wrong going on a date. There is nothing wrong with going out to drink or eat. People must just stop killing others, another one added. Olurato did everything society has always told women to do. Be careful, ladies. She followed all the precautions and still lost her life. We don't need to be careful. Men need to stop, another one stated. This is indeed said, Batsandibumkosi. Uyinene was going to the post office. Lerato was brutally murdered and hanged while she was pregnant by her boyfriend. Olerato was simply going on an innocent date and she took all the precautions that women have been told to do. But unfortunately, she was still brutally murdered and the suspect has not been identified as yet. This is indeed said, Batsandibumkosi. Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this situation? That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.